Hey guys, hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Just getting ready to go to the gym, do some workout. It's like really early morning here. And what I wanted to mention is not many people are actually talking about this online, and which is the power of compound effects. Anything you do in life, it takes time, but give it some time, give it momentum, and it will flourish. But despite working long hours, building something, you still not seeing results, I'd say try something else, try something different. Because I've seen people doing YouTube, for example, YouTube automation business. After maybe 1.5 years, they have wasted so much money. They're still doing the same things. So to get that results that you need to try something different. You keep doing the same thing, you keep getting the same results. So to change your results, you need to change the way you're doing things, right? And it can mean maybe try a different business model. It can mean maybe get a different team. It can mean maybe change little bit things which will have a huge impact in the way you do things, right? Because I know there's a lot of people doing YouTube automation business, a lot of them, and they think it's going to be like an overnight success thing, which very happens very randomly. If you get on a like a trending topic, your channel might start picking up. But if still doing the same kind of stuff, it will be very hard for you to get traction. So why I mentioned this book, Power of Compound Effects, is whatever you build takes time, even though you might not see any results in it in the beginning. But if you compound that 1, 2, 3 years, it will be massive. But like I saying, if you keep doing the same thing, you'll keep getting the same results. So to have the compound effects, you need to be improving 1% better every single day. And that's why I started this different program. That's why I invested a lot of my money to test and trialing different things where I can help people apart from YouTube automation, because I build multiple channels and now I want to help people in a different way. Because I know YouTube is a very hands-on business, even though you might have team, right? You as a director of the company, you have to be in charge of the team, what style of content they're going to create. You have, even though you have managers, right? Even though you're putting all these things, KPIs and all this SOP in place, you still need to be present in your business. You need to know like what's happening, right? So this business that I'm doing now, currently I'm still doing YouTube automation, right? This business takes very little time for you to do for you to get significant result compared to YouTube automation. Like, I'm not saying anything wrong with YouTube automation business, but I'm just saying there's other business model out there which I'm doing. I'm getting great benefit out of it, and pretty much I'm not putting much time into it. It's just running on autopilot on the side. So if you have tried YouTube for 3-4 years not seeing results, I can help you out, because I have done so many other online business. I know what it takes. It takes a lot of time, takes a lot of efforts, which the big gurus, they don't tell you. I want to be upfront with you and tell you the real truth. So again, read that book, Compound Effects. That's the one I'm reading now. Make a daily habit, make a daily goal, and you will achieve it. Until next time, bye for now.